Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a cozy reading area in Heartopia. So I have placed a floor here. Just make sure the floor and the underside of it is the same color. And then we're going to do 2 by 5. So 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to place low walls surrounding it. So to do that, we are going to place it like this. And then another low wall here. And then another one on this side. And then another one here as well. And then here, we're going to add, And then I think we're just going to add one more for the back here, like so. And then I am going to color it a white trim. So I'm just trying to find which one is it. Okay, it is the blue one. So I'm just going to put it all around like so. You can color it to whatever color and pattern you want, of course. Okay, this isn't really necessary like the rest because we're going to cover it anyways. So we're going to make it like this. And then we're going to add the full, oh my gosh, I forgot to. Okay, there we go, sorry. Then we are going to place the full walls here. We are going to make this a little bit taller though, but we're just going to add this one first. Okay, that's half. I don't know why I did half. So we're going to put this in the surrounding areas. I should have probably colored it, but that's fine. Yeah, let me remove this one. Okay, like this, and then you can color it to any color you want. I think I might, okay, but that just looks weird with the trim, so let's not do that. This also looks kind of weird with the trim. So I'm just going to do the ones without trimmings. I mean, this could look cute. You know what? I'm just going to do this, and then if I change my mind, I will just recolor it again later. Okay, now we do need another low wall on top of that, so I am going to just use the one we have here. Oh my gosh, is it going to be different colors? Yeah. Well, let's not take a look at the back. Let's focus on that later. We do have to color that though. And do that, and then one more here. Okay, let's recolor some parts first. I might change the wallpaper on this though. Okay. Then we are going to go to the windows and we're going to grab this window. I think it's, hold on. Okay, it's this one, the square wooden window, and we're just going to color it pink, but you can choose any color that you want, of course. I'm just going to put it all around like this, and then we're going to go to pillars and we're going to grab this specific one, the metal one, and we're just going to rotate it like so, and we're going to act as if these are curtains. So place it, did I not place it like against the wall? Oh my gosh, hold on, why does this happen all the time? Okay, make sure they are like against the windows, so kind of check first. There you go. And place that next to each other. like this, and then like that. Okay, once you're done with the base, we're going to start adding furnitures. So let's go to the living room and go to tables. Hopefully you have this, wait, go to cabinets. Hopefully you have the minimalist TV bench. Got it from Bob's Furniture. Just going to place it down there. And then we do need the cozy sofa. Just going to color it pink, but you can color it to whatever color you desire, of course. There you go. And I am going to add, oops, a floor here. What? Let me just do this first. Then I'm going to grab this flooring and I'm just going to place it on here. And then we are going to add, let me see if I can find it. Oh, we're going to add the book writing desk on here, like so. And then on this side, you can pretty much add whatever you want. I'll just add the ladder bookshelf here. And then I am also going to go to building materials, go to others, and we're going to get the wooden wall storage. Where is it? Hold on. Okay, there we go. And I'm just going to place it on here to kind of like build some shelves, if you will. All right, once you're done with the like base of it, you can add more stuff like decorate it yourself, of course. And I'll be right back with the finished results. Also, before I start decorating, I forgot one piece, which is the stairs. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I forgot about it. But you're just going to add stairs to it like so. Just color it the same as the rest of your color palette, maybe. Hold on, that seems a bit off. Well, I'm just gonna color it pink. Color it whatever color you want. But yeah, I'll get back to decorating. And here is the final look. I added a ceiling and some lights here, and obviously this is going to go in a room. So this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.